Choo, all aboard. If your toddler loves trains, then it doesn't get any better than this. Literally, just trains will quickly become your child's favorite bedtime story. Of course, I'm using the word story rather loosely. There is no plot. There is no character development, and a third of the text is just the phrase, this train. You'll be bored out of your mind reading this book, but your 2-year-old will be absolutely enthralled. Lucky for you, all the trains go to sleep at the end, so maybe your kid will too, but probably not. More likely, they'll ask you to read it again.